Ducati was still regarded as an Italian manufacturer of small, conventional motorcycles and produced only sport models. Teenagers at the time had not idolized the Ducati 916 model. Even racer Carl Fogarty has not become a favorite racing champion of the world, including the Ridesmo C10 MotoGP. Then in 1993 at the Cologne Motor Show, Ducati featured M900 with unique design typical of Italy. But proven models will soon become popular. The name of the monster itself was only applied later because of the appearance of a naked bike that resembles creatures created by Dr. Frankenstein. The name was thrown by the Pitizania from Argentina, Miguel Galuzzi. Because the M900 is made with various components of various models. Twin engine fluid cooled from 900 Supersport, trellis trusses typical of Superbike 851-888, and front suspension upside down from Supersport 750. In fact, actually the first monster was like the modern form of 750 GT, Ducati motorcycle first twin engine. The monster then took Ducati out of the Supersport manufacturer zone. When on March 5, 1993 the first monster rolled from the manufacturer Bologna. Now after 25 years Ducati Monster enlivened the naked market. The various celebration programs will be held Ducati. First, an original 1993 Monster 900 is on display at the Ducati Museum, so visitors can see the Ducati's first iconic naked motorcycle. The next program, Monster Rally at Paul Ricard Circuit at La Castellet on March 24, 2018. Monsteristy's special program is a parade on a track open to all Monster owners. Last celebration of 25-year Ducati Monster in 2018 World Ducati Week, July 20th to 22nd at Marco Simoncelli Misano World Circuit.